Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we are going to see how to get started with the Spring Boot framework. So we will have a basic RESTful API with get controller so that the hello world will be printed on the web browser. So let's get started. Okay, you need to visit the Spring Initializr website and fill out the required details. I'm gonna choose the Maven project, and you need to have this Spring Web dependencies which is used for Apache Tomcat, embedded server, and RESTful services. So once you add the dependencies, generate the project, it will give you the zip archive, extract it, and open in your IntelliJ editor or any other editor, whichever you are using it. So by default, it is going to have like this, a main Java class, which will be having Spring application.run, and this is the class which is already annotated with the Spring Boot application. Okay, to begin with, you need to create a new package, and I'm gonna just create a new class, hello controller. Okay, and you need to define that as REST controller. And we will be using a string method. Okay, we'll print when this method is called, we will print hello world. So you need to define get mapping here, so that this entry point, when it is called, it is going to give you hello world. So I'm going to run this application. Since we have not defined anything on the application properties, so by default it will start at 8080. Okay. So once this is application is running, you need to go to this localhost slash hello. As you can see, it is getting printed hello world, and we have called this entry point hello here in 8080 port. Now if I want to make few more changes, I want to pass a param here, and I want to print it in the response body. So what we have to do is that you need to put additional annotation called request param, and I'm gonna give string equal to name, and the same I'm gonna pass it here, string name. Okay, and I want this application to run in a different port. So I have to use server.port equal to 8181. So let me restart this with the new changes. So now the server will get started at port 8181. Now go back and refresh this. This is not going to work out because 8080 is no more. Right? So I have to call 8181, and now I have used a param. So name equal to, I'm gonna call Springboard 8181. As you can see, now it prints hello world Spring Boot. So the param which was called from this parameter, and then I'm printing it here. So likewise, you can get started with Spring Boot framework. Stay connected, subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna post more videos about the database connection, messaging services in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.